Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from your Tangem wallet to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently, especially with the latest updates in wallet tech. Don't worry if you're a beginner. This step-by-step walkthrough will have you transferring BNB like a pro in no time. First off, make sure you have both wallets ready. You'll need the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device with your BNB funds accessible, and MetaMask set up on your browser or mobile. If you haven't done that yet, pause here and get those sorted. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet and head to the Assets section. Locate your BNB balance. It should be easy to find with the app's user-friendly interface. Step 2. Now, switch over to MetaMask. If you don't have a wallet address yet, create one or select the account you want to receive the BNB. Copy that address. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 3. Back in Tangem, select the Send or Transfer option for your BNB. Paste the MetaMask address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Step 4. Hit Confirm on Tangem to initiate the transfer. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Make sure everything looks good before proceeding. This might involve biometric verification for security. Step 5. Once the transaction is sent, keep an eye on the status. It usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Head back to MetaMask and refresh to see your BNB arrive. And there you have it. That's how you transfer BNB from Tangem to MetaMask in 2025. Remember, always double-check addresses and use secure networks to prevent scams. If you run into any issues, check the official docs or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe out there.